Hello YouTube land, welcome to another video. This is going to be a video of an unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And I am a iPhone fan. This is my first Samsung, so this is actually the package that came in from my phone carrier. I did order it from the carrier. And that looks very similar to the new iPhone box. Bump the camera. Okay, should we cut those yet? Wait again. I know this phone is already bumping the camera again. Sorry about that. I know this phone's already been covered by several YouTubers, but I figured what the hell. Read that. It's 128 gigabyte. I thought about getting the higher one, but I really don't need that much memory on this phone. Ooh, Beautimus. What was that? Fell out. Get back here. This device is packaged with a screen protector. If you remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure it allows for use of all touchscreen features, which is kind of unique to, I guess, Samsung, because it's the only one that I know of that ever actually included a screen protector. That's pretty slick. Thank you, Samsung, I guess. That's kind of cool. Ooh, parts falling out. Oh, that's nice that they got black matching to black. How cool is that? iPhone doesn't do that. Okay, Apple. Something you need to do something, I guess, with your marketing. Earbuds. Those are kind of different. Of course, this has the 3.5mm phone jack, right? Yep. Still. This is an adapter. USB-C. Because they use the USB-C now. Come on, focus. There you go. A little bit. To USB adapter. Your wall plug. It's kind of cool. And this is, oops, that's the USB cable. The charging cable in this one. Nice packaging, very nice packaging. All right, let's get this back in here. Parts are falling up. Now we'll set this aside. All right, just got the back. Of course, I got this in black. Get this back piece off of here. It's a cool looking phone. I'm gonna compare it to an iPhone XS Max. Got a message. Screen size. Or a phone size. Of course, this has a case. This is an OtterBox. We can compare the sizes, I guess. See if it'll power on. Oh yeah. I am looking forward to using the camera on this. You know, Samsung's got the best camera. Even an iPhone fan, I will admit that. Starting Android.
Let's get started.
Well,
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Do we need to do all this? Probably not.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
Yeah, I've read. I could go through all that.
Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Choose a network.
That's the home network. Of course, I have to enter the password, so we'll skip this for now. Anyway, this is just supposed to be an unboxing, so maybe I should end it here. 5-minute video, short and sweet. Go through all this. Right. We'll turn off Wi-Fi for now. Next, refreshing SIM card. Skip Wi-Fi, skip anyway. Yes, please, for now.
Now let's activate your device for service.
Yeah.
This may take several minutes.
That's something I have to do. I'll do later. Anyway, I just wanted to show a video of the unboxing. And then I wanted to see the size difference in these. Samsung is supposed to be a 6.4 inch. You know, the Galaxy S10 Plus and the iPhone 10X or 10S Max is supposed to be a 6.5 inch, which really isn't that much of a difference in screen size. But cool. Anyway, maybe I'll do a comparison video later or not. I just wanted to do the unboxing so I could set my phone up. I just wanted to wait. I've had it for a couple days. Anyway, very similar to iPhone. Hope I didn't see that part. It's got the actual manual inside the lid part of it. That's kind of cool. I didn't see that. Okay. Anyway, your SIM card remover. Cool. All right, we're gonna end this. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Share if you want. I appreciate it. Meanwhile, y'all have a good day. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.